Hi, does the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G have always-on display? So, unfortunately, there is no such built-in feature such as always-on display. But I know how to get one, so watch this video till the end to find out how. So as you can see, I'm going through the settings and there is simply no such feature as always-on display, but we can open Play Store and here manually find this Movies, Edge, AOD and Edge Lights app. Now hit the button install. Don't worry, this is usual app, and now we can just open it, and after that we will need to draw it over apps. So select this tab and now you'll need to tap on the switcher to enable it. Now simply go back in this app, it would be loading a bit, and after that on the bottom of the page you should see those 4 sections. Simply choose always on display AOD and select any option from the list. If you see star, then it is a premium option and you'll need to buy one, but I'm gonna select this first one. And now we can edit it or we can immediately apply it as our always on display. So let's do it. And now it is applied. So let's check it. I'm gonna lock my phone and now we should see always on display. And yep, here it is. We can even see the battery percentage. You can exit it if you just tap this home button several times and then simply unlock your phone like you would normally do. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.